Hello, natural health family. I'm Emily, your host and natural health enthusiast. Today, if you're looking in the mirror and feeling like you miss that old shine in your hair, stop for a second. Hair loss, dandruff, lifeless strands. These are everyone's nightmare, right? But what if I told you that you could create a miracle from that little spice in your kitchen? Yes, cloves. Clove water isn't just a drink. It's a natural elixir that revitalizes your hair. In this video, we'll explore the scientifically proven benefits of clove water, learn the step-by-step recipe, and see why you should try it right away. If you want real change for your hair, watch till the end. I promise you won't regret it. Let's get started. First, let's understand how powerful cloves are as a natural agent. Cloves come from the Syzygium aromaticum plant, a spice that's been used in medicine and beauty for centuries. But why is it so popular for hair care? Because it's packed with a compound called eugenol. This is a powerhouse with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Now, let's dive into the benefits. I'll back each one up with scientific research because I'm giving you real info here, not just stories. First benefit, it promotes hair growth. Clove water nourishes hair follicles, speeding up the emergence of new strands. In one study, ethanol extract from clove leaves was shown to increase hair growth in rabbits. Yes, even animal studies are promising. This effect comes from eugenol awakening hair roots and boosting blood circulation. Imagine, after applying it a few times a week, those thinning areas slowly filling in. One of my viewers noticed a difference in 2 months. You could too. Second, it soothes the scalp and reduces inflammation. If daily stress, shampoos, or air pollution are irritating your scalp, cloves are a total lifesaver. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce redness and itching, creating a healthy environment that supports hair growth. A review published on Very Well Health states that cloves improve scalp health and are ideal for promoting growth. If you have dandruff issues, this water cleanses your scalp and opens pores. Result? Stronger, healthier hair. Third benefit, it prevents hair loss and strengthens roots. Cloves' antioxidants neutralize oxidative stress, which is the main culprit behind hair loss. In one study, cloves were found to increase Na plus K plus A, TPASE activity in the skin, providing antioxidant effects and repairing damaged tissue. This nourishes hair roots and can reduce shedding by up to 30%. According to Hims' report, regular use strengthens follicles and even slows premature graying. Imagine waking up in the morning with fewer strands on your pillow. How motivating. Fourth, it increases hair volume and adds shine. If you have fine hair, clove water is perfect for you. It improves texture for more volume and nourishes with natural oils. In a Clinically article, it's highlighted that clove water promotes scalp health and enhances texture. Plus, as mentioned in Times of India, it reduces inflammation to bring back your hair's natural shine. I use this water as a spray and feel the difference. My hair dances in the wind. Last benefit, it prevents dandruff and fungal infections. Cloves' antibacterial and antifungal properties clean microbes from the scalp. In Root 2 Tips Guide, it's noted that eugenol nourishes follicles and reduces dandruff. This is especially great for itching that ramps up in the evenings. A clean scalp means healthy hair. Wow, right? Clove water is cheap, natural, and backed by science. But of course, like every good thing, using it right matters. Now let's get to the recipe. This part is practical and step-by-step. you'll want to run to your kitchen. Ingredients are simple: 2 tablespoons of fresh clove buds and 1 cup, about 250 milliliters, pure water. You can add a drop of coconut oil if you like, but start with the pure version. Step 1. Pour 1 cup of hot water into a saucepan. Then add 2 tablespoons of cloves. It's important to cover the saucepan with a lid while boiling. This way, you prevent the loss of the active compounds inside the cloves. Step 2. Lower the heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. This is enough for the eugenol to infuse into the water. The smell will fill your home. You'll love it. Step 3. Take it off the heat, let it cool, then strain. Pour into a spray bottle for easy application. Spray on clean, damp hair 2 to 3 times a week. Massage with your fingertips. Leave on for 30 to 60 minutes. A shower cap boosts absorption. Rinse with lukewarm water. Don't mix with shampoo. Keep it natural. Things to watch out for. If you're allergic, test on your inner wrist and wait 24 hours. If pregnant or have chronic conditions, consult a doctor. Don't overdo it. Stick to no more than 3 times a week. Use quality cloves, not stale ones. Store in the fridge for 3 to 4 days to keep it fresh. Friends, that's it. Super simple. As our 5 minutes wrap up, here's a recommendation. If you want to revitalize your body from head to toe, check out our channels, Morning Lemon Ginger Water, the easy way to revitalize your body video. The lemon and ginger morning ritual will skyrocket your energy. Click it now. If this content inspires you, don't forget to subscribe to Natural Health. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss updates. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share your experiences in the comments. If you haven't tried this recipe yet, please drop a 1 in the comments. Let's see who's starting. Thanks for watching. Wishing you healthy days. See you soon.